Hey guys, welcome to Rosie's Dessert Spot. Today we'll be making this combed cake that I'll be using for my engagement coming up at the end of this week. To start, you'll need a 10-inch cake board and your 8-inch cake. I've just stuck it onto the cake board with a little bit of ganache mixed with buttercream. Create a ring, and then into this ring we are going to fill right up to the rim with cream cheese frosting. This is a red velvet cake that I've used by Bakehals. Continue this all the way up. I used 2 cakes in total that have been cut in half, so I have 4 layers of cake in total. This cake would feed a good 25 to 30 people. Once all of your cake layers have been stacked, use that dark chocolate ganache mixture with buttercream to create a crumb coat. This will be a light coat of frosting all around the cake used to trap in any crumbs. Smooth it out, and then when you're happy with the finish, you can bring that lip of frosting towards the middle. Into the fridge she goes for a good 20 minutes, or into the freezer for 10, and then apply your buttercream. So I like to use vegetable shortening and butter, and then icing sugar for my buttercream. That makes it nice and pale, and then I cover the whole cake with it. If you can see through to the chocolate layer, I recommend going on with a second layer again of buttercream. Here I've taken my scalloped frosting comb, which you can find on my website, and I'm literally just going around and around and around without stopping, and we're basically smoothing the buttercream, and we're also really indenting that pattern into the frosting. When you're happy with the look, you can bring that lip of frosting to the middle again and then pop it into the fridge for the last time to set up so that we can add our decorations. My cake is nice and firm after a good 30 or so minutes in the fridge. Now I can add my edible gold leaf. Make sure that is 100% edible gold leaf that you're using and not the toxic craft one. Just gonna massage it onto the cake and pull away. If it doesn't stick though, you can add just a little bit of water to your cake. Maybe brush it on lightly, and that way your gold leaf has something to stick to. I've used a 6B piping tip to create these buttercream stars, and onto there I'll also add some macarons. Do the same for the base of your cake. So the flowers, the buttercream stars, and then the macarons. And they've been dusted gold with edible gold luster dust. They were actually yellow and brown beforehand. So neat little trick there for gold macarons. And you're done. This is just one of the cakes I'll be featuring at my engagement. You can expect a few more gold and white cakes to come. They're all going to be recorded and featuring on the dessert table. So I'll be sure to share the finished dessert table and the actual engagement cake with you guys shortly. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again in the next one.